Traveling with your suit can sometimes be a headache if you don't know what you're doing. We have travel suit bags, and there is a recommended way to fold up your bag to put it in a suitcase. If you're using a travel bag, although they come in various styles and designs, they're usually pretty straightforward. You want to put your suit in the bag. Zip it up. Most travel bags are able to be folded in half. If you are going on a short flight or packing it into a car, this tends to be most ideal because you can carry it with one hand or drape it around your carry-on. Many suit retailers give you a travel bag with the purchase of your suit. However, if you do not have a travel bag, or you are packing multiple suits and you want to be a little bit more compact, we recommend removing the hanger. You will take one of the shoulders, turn it inside out, take the other shoulder, put your hand through the armhole, and fold the shoulder into itself. So it looks like this. So flangs on the outside, the lapels mostly match up, and all you have to do is fold it in half. You can even fold it in half again, keep it like this. The more compact it is, the more likely it is to be wrinkled when you take it out. So once you arrive to your hotel, be sure to take it out of the bag, hang it up on a nice shoulder padded hanger, and let it de-wrinkle. Lastly, when traveling with your suit, please keep in mind that different materials are more wrinkle resistant than others. If you want to check out that video, click on the link below.